Hi everybody, today we are going to see about age of Chaucer 1340 to 1400. Chaucer was born in reign of Edward III, lived through Richard II, died after Henry IV. A Chaucer works was own Knight's Tale. Actual tale was unfinished contemporary tales and structured and it was formal, and it contains 2249 line poem, and the total in 4 parts follows the general prologue. And during this period the pestilence came, and it's an awful epidemic called Black Death swept away third of entire population, and it was reappeared in 1362 and 1367 and 1370. French war was temporary glory to the arms of Edward. So they face a heavy burdens of taxation, immediate cost, general rising, and a common flock under Walt Tyler, Jack Straw, John Ball, and John Wycliffe. Now we are going to see the authors in detail. Walt Tyler, 4th January 1341 to 15th June 1381. Leader in 1381 in Peasants' Revolt in England. In that revolution, he marched from Contemporary to London and opposed the institution of poll tax, demand economic and social reforms, and he was killed by the royal officer of King Richard II. Next, Jack Straw, 3rd August 1946. British politician, served Member of Parliament for Blackburn 1979 to 2015, and he also served in a cabinet from 1997 to 2010 under Labour government of Tony Blair and Gordon Brown, and he also worked as a Home Secretary from 1997 to 2001 and a Foreign Secretary from 2001 to 2006 under Blair. Next, John Wycliffe, 1320 to 84, advocated and translation of the Bible, and it is common in vernacular, and complete the translation as in Wycliffe into Middle English version known as Wycliffe Bible, and it's completed in 1384, characterized as evening stars of socialism. No socialism, so scholasticism, and mornings, and it's also called as morning stars and stella matutina of English Reformation. The morning stars was influenced by a reformer, Jan Hus, 1369 to 1415, execution in 1415, sparked a revolt, led hostile wars in from 1419 to 1434. The Morning Star by John Wycliffe, it's a challenging the Catholic Church calls for reform, because he was summoned by John of Gaunt, but Richard II gave full protection to him. Next, John Ball, 1338 to 15th July 1081, English priest, prominent part of Peasants' Revolt of 1381. John Ball associated with John Wycliffe and Lollard movement, but actively preaching in articles contrary to the faith of church. John Ball appears in a character in anonymous play The Life and the Death of Jack Straw. published on London in 1593, deals the event of Peasants' Revolt. Next, John Paul is also written by another writer, William Morris, who wrote the short story called A Dream of John Paul, serialized in Commonweal between November 8, 1886 and February 8, 1887, published a book in the form 1888. Next, the leaders of the Great Revival, the two celebrated Italian writers, one is Petrarch and another is Boccaccio. Petrarch 1304 to 74, Boccaccio 1313 to 75. Petrarch 1304 to 74. The original name of him is Francisco Petrarca and anglicized as Petrarch, and the poet is a early Renaissance Italy, one of the earliest humanists, and the Petrarch sonnets model lyrical poetry, and he spent his last years in northern Italy as an international scholar and a poet diplomat. His works consist of Rerum Vulgarium Fragmenta, best known Italian poetry, and its collection of 336 lyrical poems, various genres known as canzoniere. Next is My Secret Book, intense personal and imaginary dialogue, figure inspired by Augustine of Hippo. Next, Boccaccio. His original name is Giovanni Boccaccio, 16th June 1313 to 21st December 1375. Italian writer, poet, correspondent of Petrarch, an important Renaissance humanist, important figure and European literary panorama of 14th century. Boccaccio, Dante Alighieri, Francisco Petrarca, the three crowns of Italian literature. His works are Amoros Vinciani, 1342, full of echoes and divine comedy, consists of 50 canti in terza rima, and the poem is The Dream, where the poet sees wisdom, earthly glory, wealth, love, and destroying fortune. It all contains a mythological, classical, and contemporary medieval figures. Next, Bucolicum Carmen, 1351 to 66, series of allergical ecologies, short pastel poem on contemporary events, follow classical models online indicated by Dante Petrarch. Next, The Crow or Carabico, the Italian work, traditional dated 1355. Protagonist tells story, the love to the spirit warns him against women who with their lust and endanger men. Next, De Casilium Virorum Illustrium, 1360, work of 56 biographies of Boccaccio, moral stories, falls of famous people similar to 106 biographies, and De Mullibus Claris is inspired, and William Shakespeare created a character based on this phenomenon as in Christopher Marlowe. Next, De Mullibus Claris or De Claris Mullibus, collections of biographies of historical and mythological women. The collection is composed in 1361 to 62, and it contains mythological women devoted the biographies of women in Western literature. Decameron, It's an important writing and also a famous writing of Bakakiko, and it completed in 1353. The book structured frame story containing 100 tales, group of 7 young women and 3 young men shelter in villa just outside the Florence, and because they escaped from the Black Death. Decomont ranged from erotic to tragic, tales of wit, practical jokes, life lessons contribute mosaic. Next, Elegia di Madonna Fiammetta, 1343 to 1344. English novel describes protagonist Fiammetta's and the Fiammetta's passion for Panfilo and Florentina merchant characterize the first psychological novel in Western culture, and it contains a prologue and it consists of a 9 chapter. Next, Philostora, 1335 or 1340, royal octaves divided into 8 cantos, mythological plot, 3 names in the poem taken from the poem Decameron. The last is Tescida, 1340 to 41, running in 10,000 lines, divided 12 books. The knowledge about the Asian green was unknown by the author, but he gained the knowledge by his close friend Paolo di Perugia, the medieval collector of Asian myths and tales. But Tescida is based on the notional subject career rule of ancient Greek hero Theseus. I found the detail about his work, but I can't found the works in detail. But I can able to explain tell the author works only. Their name: Kakika di Diana, 1334 to 1336. Commedia degli Niffi Fiorentina, 1341 to 1342. Esposina Spora La Commedia di Dante, 1373 to 74. Ninifali Fiosolano, 1344 to 46. Date disputed. Rhyme finished in 1374. Tractatulo in Leodia di Dante, 1357. Zimbalodina Magalia Bicciona, within 1351 to 56. This works I can't able to found in detail, so I am telling the names of the work of Bakakiko. So if you are get the material, please tell me in the description box. I hope this audio is helpful for you. Thank you.